Hello folks, this is Aitana from inspiredtorise.com, and today we are going to talk about the Oppo Enco M31 wireless earphones. So guys, let's start with the unboxing for the Oppo Enco M31, and this is the official box for the same. We had these in the black color. There's also a green color which also looks pretty good. Inside you get these earphones, the documentation, the warranty card. You get the charging cable for this one along with changeable earbuds. The Enco M31 is a neckband style wireless earbud, and the cables seem a little bit flimsy for this one. There's volume rocker and the multifunction button on one side, and you also have the USB Type-C port for charging it. You can double tap the multifunction button for enabling a special bass mode, and it's built from shape memory metal covered in liquid silicone rubber. There's also AI noise reduction present here to separate your voice during calls and give you a better calling experience. It is IPX5 water resistant, and you can easily work out wearing these for long periods of time, so that's not an issue. Apart from that, I found that the overall build-in design was pretty solid, and these are pretty lightweight at just around 22 grams. These earphones support really high resolution audio, and there are 9.2mm dynamic drivers present on the inside. If I talk about the pros for this one, it was really comfortable to use. There's also a quick switch feature to switch to a different device of your choice, and 24-bit 96kHz FLAC files sound really good on this one. But if I talk about the cons, I felt that the wire was thin and might not stand really heavy usage. The call quality was good enough. The battery capacity could have been better because the LDAC codec consumes more power, but you can get around 5 to 6 hours on 50% volume for this one. And it's available for a price of around 1999 rupees on Amazon.in. The Bluetooth 5.0 support and the LDAC audio codec make sure that the audio output is pretty good, and the mids are really good, the highs are really good. Bass seems a little bit lacking, but you can enable it via the bass mode. And apart from that, if you're somebody who's going to game a lot or maybe do a lot of video editing, you will find that there is a slight latency present here, so I won't recommend it for those applications. But for anybody who's a serious music listener under the price of 2000 INR, this is one of the best wireless products that you can buy. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. I hope you guys are safe, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.